Hello bachcho, the question says here, a bullet of a mass 100 gram, mass of bullet is 100 gram, moving with a velocity 240 meter per second, hits a target, वो एक target को hit कर रही है, after passing through the target 10 centimeter thick, it continues to move with a velocity 160 meter per second. Find the average resistance offered by the target, average resistance offered by the target हमें find करना है. Then यहाँ पे सबसे पहले we will highlight the key concept. Key concept is nothing but the work done. Key concept is the work done. Work done is equal to the product of force and displacement, that is dot product F and S. उसका आंसर हो जाएगा F S cos theta. And again one more key concept here we are going to use, that is work energy principle. Work energy principle, what it tells, the work done is nothing but equal to the change in kinetic energy. Work done is equal to the change in kinetic energy. यहाँ पे इनिशियल काइनेटिक एनर्जी और फाइनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी में चेंज हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द रेजिस्टिव फोर्स. काइनेटिक एनर्जी, नाउ इनिशियल मास गिवन डेटा मास इज 100 ग्राम विच इज इक्वल टू 0.1 kg. Initial velocity u is here equal to 240 meter per second. Final velocity v is equal to 160 meter per second. By formula, by the work energy principle, we got a formula, work is equal to final kinetic energy half m v square minus initial kinetic energy, that is change, half m u square. वर्क का फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा here f into s, and cos theta will be half, cos theta का आंसर हमें वैसे भी 1 लेना है, that is half into m कॉमन होगा, v square minus u square. what is v square here? uh, and you can say theta is 180 degree because of the object, जो बुलेट है वो आगे जा रहा है और रेजिस्टिव फोर्स विच एक्ट्स बिहाइंड, तो थीटा इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. 180 डिग्री का आंसर हो जाएगा -1. हम यहाँ पे निग्लेक्ट करेंगे साइन को, तो सिंपली वर्क डन फाइंड करेंगे, एवरेज रेजिस्टिव फोर्स फाइंड करेंगे. तो हाफ एम वी स्क्वायर, what is v square here? Final velocity is 160 minus initial velocity is 240, उसका स्क्वायर. now displacement is 10 centimeter. f as it is 10 centimeter को हम लिखेंगे 0.1 which is equal to half, and mass is again 0.1 into 160 square is 25600 minus 240 square is 57600, which is equal to 0.1 0.1 will get cancelled out, 32,000 by 2. f is equal to here last step में हो जाएगा f is equal to half into minus 32,000 which is equal to half into 32,000 minus 32,000 of half is 36,000, 16,000, not 36, 16,000, because 2 ones are 2 16s are, so 16,000. Negative sign is because of the opposite direction of the resistive force, minus 16,000 Newton. Here resistive force is equal to, resistive force is equal to 16,000 Newton. अब resistive force लिखे हैं इसीलिए minus sign we are not putting here. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.